So if you guys are anything like me, you probably spend a lot of time wondering why leaders and people do the things that they do in an organization and why people do the things that they do in those organizations. Well, the things people do in an organization are a function of the culture of the organization. And just like any ethnic culture, along with rites of passage and ceremonies, those things all set the expectations for a set of behaviors. Now, in most organizations, people are going to behave in such a way as they don't rock the boat. Now, I meet a lot of leaders who talk about needing to do a culture change, some kind of culture change, and they talk about it like it's some mysterious thing that we don't really understand, we don't really have a lot of control over. It is a little complex, but it's really about behaviors. And so if you got people who don't want to rock the boat, the way to change the culture is to rock the boat. You got to rock the boat, and sometimes you might even need to replace the boat. So for this presentation, what I want to focus on are a few things that are going to help you build that new boat or rock that boat. The first, I'm going to define these 5 cultural profiles that organizations can go through. And I'm going to share with you some ways that leaders can navigate or drive the change from one of these levels up to the next level. Always with a focus on a culture of engagement. That's what we're after, that culture of engagement. To help you get there, I'm going to talk about the link between satisfaction and motivation, and the steps that you can take as leaders to build satisfaction into those jobs that we have people do. 8 specific things that we're going to learn about building satisfaction into work. And then I'm going to focus on you. I'm going to focus on you and your behaviors. And I'm going to give you 9 key things that you can do that are going to guide your behavior, that are going to end up motivating your folks to help you drive that culture change. Now, if this sounds like something you need, I hope you'll give me a call.